Everyone, so today I'm going to teach you on how to block someone from seeing your post on Facebook without unfriending them. So let's begin. Now you have seen the three lines right on the right side. Click on it. Go to settings. In settings and privacy, you can see there's lots of options here. And you can go to setting and privacy. Click on setting. After clicking on setting, you can go down to audience and visibility. Right over here you can see there is profile details, profile locking. Go to the post section, click on it, and you can see who can see your future posts. This is what we need. Click on it. It's public, friends accept. You have to go to friend accept and click on the person you don't want the person that your post to be seen with. So click on done and you're done to go. You save it and you're done. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.